the Phone Rebel frosted case for iPhone 11 Pro. It's $30 at phonerebel.com and is also available for iPhone 7 and later. As of today, it comes in black with a frosted texture, translucent case inspired by the glass finish of the iPhone 11 Pro line. I'll be giving you my honest review to footage throughout the month, respectfully without bias from being a fan of the creator. It's supposed to feel like the frosted glass of the iPhone 11 Pro. Let's find out. Give this video a like if it helps and subscribe for more. I've had it for a month now. It comes with a screen protector, but I chose not to install it because having one before, I know it exaggerates that notch. Under these logos are clear skins for side protection. I didn't see any instructions in the packaging. It would have helped instead of figuring out how to install the skins and if I did want the screen protector. I also heard one person think these were logo stickers, like how Apple sends out the Apple stickers, but I wouldn't blame them because there were no instructions. There are also these sticker guides, so if anyone knows how to use these, please comment below. Figuring out how to insert the phone was the most obvious. It easily slid into the first corners and gave it an extra push into the other corners. Applying stickers took a little more time to figure out for an average guy like me who has no experience with skins. Made a few mistakes, but eventually figured out to peel the sticker layer along with a logo layer. Make sure to keep the logo part attached as you peel it because its stiffness will help you line it up. Once lined up, apply pressure all around the sticker and peel the logo layer. Rub out any bubbles and it should be good. It took me 2 tries. What's cool was both wasn't perfect, but it seemed to even itself out as I left it. So the marks I left went away in a few minutes. For taking out the case, it's slightly harder because it's on there pretty tight, but still simple. Start with 2 corners and it slides out. The tight fit is worth the protection it gives. I love how the case gives the phone a lift, so it's easier to pick up. The front design exaggerates the phone's design, adding its own modern and edgy look, which might be a preference, but it's nice. I don't like the hourglass-like shape in the back though because it throws off the proportion of the phone. It takes away from Apple's simple design, but I understand it had to be done to keep the sides open. It bugged me so much that putting a sticker there created relief from the shape it created. I'm that visual, which may or may not be you. The frosted back had a similar texture to the iPhone 11 Pro, but only slightly. The phone's frosted glass has a more refined texture, which makes you appreciate Apple's details even more. The case still felt like a nice plastic though. There's still no case like this, which I really appreciate. The added thickness actually feels substantial, maybe because we can also feel the stainless steel on the sides, which are exposed for those who love the design and feel of the iPhone. It's my favorite feature, but it leaves it vulnerable to hitting corners and rocks or other things sticking out. I luckily haven't dropped it yet, but seeing the founders' honest drop test videos, I could tell this would be really sturdy around everyday flat floors, even outdoors. The tests also show it enduring high drops. I just wouldn't take it into nature since a rock can easily hit the exposed sides and screen. The upper and lower part feels thick enough to protect it very well. The back is slightly thick with black framed edges for extra lip and protection, which includes a huge lip for the camera so you don't have to worry about it touching counters or flat drops. Very easy to match wallpapers with this case. Basically choose whatever wallpaper is your mood and it's good. Everything from Apple's designs or even your own. Its color matches everything. Easy to dust, just use a cloth. I like how it's not a fingerprint magnet, but natural oils can build up over time. If needed, disinfecting or washing it with soap and water is easy. Works well with wireless charging, easily slips into pockets. It doesn't really add much weight to the phone. The case is dark, so it's not easiest to find in the shade, but still gives enough reflection where it's not too hard either, so it's not really a problem. In fact, it is a good color because this case can be a good default. It goes with anything from casual to athletic wear and formal. The bezels give it a partial framing, so although secure and interesting, it's slightly distracting from viewing media like photos and videos and browsing the web in landscape view, but you get used to it. It always looks good vertically along with everyday apps. Both the dark mode, on and off, looks good. No colors clash. In conclusion, I do enjoy this case. I use it occasionally when I want to switch it up a bit in the right setting. I hope this helped. If so, give it a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.